Welcome to Mudra Wednesday of the Breathe Well Collective. How are you breathing? Mudras activate specific areas of the mind and body, particularly those involved in breathing, by influencing the flow of energy. They help balance mental and physical states, promoting overall well-being. So I have a disclaimer before we get into today's mudra. The practices and information shared in the Breathe Well Collective, including the use of any mudra, are intended for educational purposes. They are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical condition. Please consult a healthcare professional before starting any wellness practice, especially if you have any existing health consideration. You agree that Cleanse Your Cache is not liable for your participation and viewing. Let's get into today's mudra, and that is the Uttarabodhi Mudra. The Uttarabodhi Mudra is known for The Uttarabodhi Mudra is known for inspiration, helping you to restore and renew, and mental clarity. Let's take a look at that diagram. If you look at the illustration, you can see that the thumbs and index fingers are brought together, and then the remaining pinky, ring, and middle finger are clasped together. Get your hand into that position now, pointing your index and your thumb when they're touching, having the index fingers pointed downward and the thumbs pointed upward, and then the remaining fingers clasping. How does that feel? If you're comfortable, continue. If not, just open your hands to receive your intention. Let's go ahead and combine our breath today. What I'd like for you to do is to breathe the box breathing pattern. Inhaling for 4, holding that with gratitude, and then exhaling for 4. Allowing yourself to rest. Inhaling again for 4. Holding gratitude for 4. Exhaling for 4. And allow yourself to rest for 4. This pattern is known to help complement the mudra, so I encourage you, if it was comfortable, to continue. You hear a chime now, which will give you a few minutes to continue practicing and building your resilience. Have an amazing day, and thank you. Thank you for listening and for wanting to feel better. When you do, those around you will also. Breathe well.